Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can blur your video in Adobe Premiere Pro 2019, and it's really simple. So all you want to do is have some clip in your media file. Now in the timeline, click on Effects and right here Blur. You will see here most of the blurs, but the best one is to Gaussian Blur. Take it, choose it, and paste it on your video. Now when you paste it on your video, you have option easily just blur it. But what I recommend is really animate the blurriness. So first click here toggle animation, the clock here. Now let's put it like here, another keyframe, and change blurriness. That is too much. Wait a second. It's bugged. My computer just can't comprehend this number. Wow, interesting. It's going to all fall now. Yeah, but I'm not going to quit it. So what will happen that you got a good animation and the whole Adobe is going to fall? Oh, it's not. Wow. Nice. Okay. And let's see now. As you can see, the blurriness is increasing and increasing and increasing until you got it. So this is how you do it. And yep, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye.